Hi there. What do you think is going to be the greatest regret at the end of your life? Most of us are not afraid of death. Most of us are afraid of getting to the end of life and realizing that you never actually lived. The greatest regret in your deathbed is not going to be your failures or mistakes or heartbreak that you had in your life. The greatest regret is going to be the realization that you never actually did what you wanted to do the most. When we were kids, we dreamed and imagined greater things in life. But when we grew up, we stopped dreaming. We stopped imagining greater things. We got addicted listening to the people around us. We believed the people around us because they gave that fake sense of being in a safe zone. But it never really was our safe zone. The greatest risk that we took in our life is not taking any risks. Here's a quote that I found somewhere. If you don't fight for what you want, then don't cry for what you lost. Likewise, nothing depends on luck. Everything depends on work because even luck has to work. The greatest heartbreak of your life in the end is going to be on the things that you wanted to do but you never did, the love that you never tried to find, and the places that you wanted to visit but you never did. Your life is your fight, it's your karma, and you can't give up your life for the fears of others around you. Be wise but not ignorant. There are going to be failures when you try something for the first time. That is nothing unusual. But if you fear failure, you are never going to get anything done properly in your life. Weep not for roads untraveled. It's from one of my favorite songs, Roads Untraveled by Linkin Park. This line keeps me motivated to do things that I love to do the most in life because I know the greatest regret in my life is going to be the roads that I wanted to travel but I never did. There is only one person in the whole world you are answerable at the end of the day, and that is you. Your life is a story to be written by you, and you can do whatever you want to do in your life. Everybody is born with a gift. The wisest are those who seize their own gifts and use it to rise to greatness. Live your life out loud. Help people who deserve. Give more than what you take from the world, and in the end, you will be a legend. You should be the best of yourself, not the worst of somebody else. Don't let anybody tell you what you can or can't do. If you want to do something, you don't wait for somebody to give you the push. You get only one shot in life, so don't miss your opportunities because you leave someone else's fear. Here's a great quote from the movie Pursuit of Happiness. You got a dream, you gotta protect it. People can't do something themselves, they wanna tell you you can't do it. If you want something, go get it, period. People will always try to project their fear onto you. It's their lack of courage to do something that they want others to follow. Don't let toxic people into your life and let them make you believe that you are worthless. The world is your oyster. It's up to you to find the pearls. Nowadays, we have a whole generation of people doing things that they don't even like to do because they are afraid of failure. Remember this, life may be harder for you now, but that doesn't mean that you have to give up on your dreams. You may be broke, lonely, and maybe in a job that you don't even like. But trust me, fights are meant to be fought till the end. So keep striving till you get what you want. Because if you don't, you have no right to cry for what you lost. If you are born poor, it is not your fault. But if you are going to die poor, it is your fault. Don't let anybody stop you from achieving greatness, not even your greatest fear. The one who conquers their own mind can conquer the whole world. Helen Keller was blind and deaf from a very young age, but she managed to show the world that anything can be achieved if you have perseverance. I hope you live the life of your dreams and keep striving to get what you want. The greatest charity that we can do to the world is to spread knowledge. If you learned something valuable from this video, please share with your friends and family and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the very best in life.